First, though, new fallout from thousands of coronavirus tests deemed unreliable. This is News 6 at 11. I'm Matt Austin.
And I'm Lisa Bell. Tonight, Orange County Mayor Jerry Deming says more than 8,000 people in the county may need to get retested. News 6's Nikki Zizaza is going through all the numbers tonight. And Nikki, thousands of people in the county never received their test results.
Yes, Lisa. Mayor Jerry Deming says of the more than 25,000 tests in question, 8,100 of them are out of Orange County. And he says 3,600 of those tested never received their results.
It's an unfortunate thing that occurred.
Mayor Jerry Demings is referring to tests ordered by Advent Health and performed by a third-party lab. The healthcare system announcing this weekend it has cut ties with the outside lab over what they call unreliable and unacceptable delays, impacting more than 25,000 Central Florida residents.
Now, out of the 8,100, I believe about 3,600 of the cases, the individuals never received the results.
Officials with Advent Health declined to identify the lab, but Rick Martin, CEO of Microgen Diagnostics, confirms Advent Health terminated their contract with their lab last week.
We were not able to process the amount of samples that they had asked us to process, so that was the issue that I understood.
Mayor Deming saying Advent Health is offering residents an opportunity to be retested. Some options include Centricare facilities plus local Orange County testing sites.
My main concern is I want individuals, our residents, to feel confident that they have the opportunity to be tested and get accurate results, and that's what we're going to do.
Despite the dilemma, Microgen Diagnostics says,
in terms of reliability, that's the one reason why I'm doing this interview, is because I want the word out to patients that the test that they had from Microgen Diagnostics is extremely reliable.
Now Advent Health has directed Microgen Diagnostics to destroy all the samples that remain in their possession. Now Advent Health says if you have been impacted, they will contact you by phone or by letter. For now, I'm live in Orlando. Nikki Zizaza, Getting Results, News 6.
Nikki, thank you. Well, tonight News 6 is crunching the numbers. We've looked at positive COVID-19 test results in Florida. This is over the last 9 weeks. 2 weeks since phase 1 started, we saw a weekly rise in positive cases right here. The problem, we're not sure how old those positive tests really are, and neither are the experts. Local health leaders say the test results might be skewed due to a backlog at the lab.
All data that may be skewing our decision-making process and showing a higher number of cases that really are. And why that is important, because that could be a measure of how effective the opening and the measures that we have in place are working on that.
Dr. Raul Pino points to a backlog in results. He says he received about 6,000 negative results on Saturday, but he estimates it takes about a week to test 6,000 people, and it's never been done in a single 1 or 2 day period.
All right, let's